All right. This is at the Waukegan Business Center. This used to be a Haughton elevator, mounted by Anderson. This thing still runs like shit. Jesus. This thing is like sketchy. Jesus. All right, we'll go back up. Jeez. Look, that used to be the old brown. And you can't tell really where the old culvert used to be. That's a stairway. Oh, what? Is this like... Oh, it's like a split-level office building. That's what that S thing is. Oh my god. I literally hit it right at the time. This side has a bumper. What? This thing is so weird. Feels like you're hitting the bottom. This thing is like actually kind of terrifying. God, listen to this thing. I just want to listen to it as it goes, just so we can hear it from the outside. This thing is ridiculous. The reaction. Oh my god, that thing is screwed up. Anyway, that's it.